We live in a very dynamic world. The pace of change is incredibly high.
You have to be obsessed with continuous improvement, driving change.
If you're not challenging your business, you're going to get left behind.
When new technologies come along, we need to be at the forefront.
The operational pressure from growth is tremendous.
There's a lot of moving parts, a lot of automation. If you don't forecast well, it's really where money's made and lost.
NetSuite has the features already that will enable us to provide exactly what the customers want and when they want them.
NetSuite has helped us automate and drive efficiency.
With NetSuite, you can innovate and it'll do what you need to do.
Whatever we throw at it, it just works.
For us as a distributor, NetSuite really understands your business.
It's allowed us to stay ahead of the rest of the companies that claim to be like ours.
They're moving so much faster than we are. If we stay up with them, we're able to move faster than anybody else.
Through NetSuite, our efficiency is almost double.
Twice as many transactions in the same amount of time.
Taking a lead time from 90 to 120 days down to 6 hours.
Growing at anywhere from 30 to 45%.
We've gone up $20 million in sales.
We've doubled our sales, and we don't see any reason why we can't quadruple our business with NetSuite.
We can be competitive with any brand that competes in our space anywhere in the world.
I think without NetSuite, it's fair to say we'd have been out of business by now.